It's hair day, it's hair day, it's hair day. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get it together. Okay, hair day and we are good to go. What's up YouTube fam? Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are doing nothing less than amazing. Well, today's video is brought to you by one of my favorite hairstyles, which is a Bohemian Passion Twist. Okay, so a little bit of info on this hair that I got going on today. This is a Bohemian Passion Twist by BOBBI. Length is 24 inches. Color, I went with number 2 this time. I absolutely love this BOBBI Passion Twist, honey. I love their natural look and lasts as long as I want it to, which is usually 3 to 4 weeks. Yes, for that reason, I really do love this hair. So I'll make sure to link that down below in the description box if you want to try out this hair. If not, no problem. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy the rest of this video that I recorded up close and personal for you to follow through. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it was useful to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more DIY videos. Until next time, peace.